Screencast option not available on Realme device problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can get your screencast option on the notification bar of your Realme device. As you can see here, there is no screencast option on the notification bar. So in this video I am going to show you how you can get that. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So let's get started. So let us go and check it out in settings. Here let me just search for screencast and then let me just search for it. No result for screencast. So guys, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. Just scroll down. Here you can see this type of interface, and on the top opposite to the gear option, settings option, you will find a pencil option. Here you can see, so simply press on it. Now here what you have to do, on the bottom side here you can see you have to swipe left, swipe like this, and then you have to check where is the screencast option. So guys, here you can see this is the screencast option. So what you have to do, you have to drag up. It's done. So just go back and scroll your notification bar, swipe left, and you can see here this is the one. So let me just open this, and then here you can see this is the screencast option. And if you are not able to enable this, what you have to do, you have to simply swipe down your notification bar on the Wi-Fi and then go back, and let me just show you. We can on the screencast, and then the other device Wi-Fi or hotspot should be open, and then you will receive the name here, and then you have to simply tap on the name, and then you will able to use the screencast option. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.